how to change your location on the YouTube app. Ever feel like YouTube just isn't showing you the content you want? Maybe your recommendations feel off, or you're trying to access trending videos from another country. Well, I've got a quick fix for you. In just a few taps, you can change your YouTube location and unlock a whole new world of content. Let's go. Step 1. Open the YouTube app. First things first, open the YouTube app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Go to Settings. Now tap on your profile icon at the top right, scroll down and select Settings. Step 3. Access General Settings. Inside Settings, find the General section. This is where YouTube hides some of its most useful features. Step 4. Change your location. Scroll down until you see Location. Tap it, and now pick any country you want. Instantly, your YouTube experience changes to match that location's trending videos, recommendations, and more. If you want to unlock location-restricted content, you might need a VPN, but that's a topic for another day. Let me know in the comments if you want a guide on that. And that's it. Now go explore YouTube like never before. If this helped, hit that like button, and for more quick tech tricks, make sure to subscribe.